Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel, and y'all, I am so excited to share with you this haul today. I know it's been a minute since I brought you a fashion try-on haul, so today I did partner with hotmiamistyles, and I have all of the cute colors, I have all of the unique styles, and I have the best materials. Like, I'm trying to tell you, the material is awesome, okay? So if you guys want to see what it is that I picked up, stay tuned. Okay, dolls, we're gonna get started with this look. We're gonna jump right into it. Again, I love partnering with hotmiamistyles because I really adore their looks. One thing when it comes to fashion is it really matters about the quality of the material, and I love this website because even though I'm curvy and plus size, their clothes stretch. Not only do they stretch, but they are made of durable fabrics. Y'all, like, I wish you can tell, this is like a slinky kind of material. It definitely has polyester and it definitely has spandex, but it's thick. It's definitely not see-through, and it's quality, okay? So I can definitely tell you anything you purchase from that website is going to be as described, is going to look good, and you get your money's worth. I'm gonna give you a quick twirl. I really like this dress a lot because of the color. I think the fabric feels good, it stretches, it's not see-through. I really enjoy how you do not have to wear a bra. We all know for summer and spring you want to be comfortable, and wireless or strapless bras, they're not always the most comfortable, okay? So I really look for comfort now. That's why I know I'm getting older when I'm shopping, but I do not want to compromise being comfortable and being stylish. Now with this particular bodysuit, I love this bodysuit so much. When I saw it on the website, I thought it was really clever and girly. I think it will definitely set a casual type of situation to the next level. So for me, what I'm thinking about with this is going to be some cut-off shorts, some little heels, like strappy heels, and maybe like a duster if you want to go out for spring, or you can just wear as is with a nice statement necklace or whatever you decide. So the long story short, I 100% absolutely love this top, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on so you guys can see what it looks like. Even though it's just a regular bodysuit, it kind of does a little bit extra, gives you that little bit of razzle dazzle because of this satin and because it's ruched and it's kind of oversized. Like, it's being, I guess, chic without doing too much, but you're doing just enough. Now, I love this bathing suit so much. I think if you are gonna be at the pool, don't hide your body, show off, okay? So with this particular bathing suit, I liked it because of the color, and I love it because of the bling. A lot of the bathing suits on hotmiamistyles, they have bathing suits that I've like never seen anywhere else, so I know that I'm not gonna look like anyone else at the pool. And then I also love that they have cover-ups, and I'll insert a couple of options that you can go with this, but they have cover-ups for almost every single suit that they sell, so you can really, really slay. Now, I saw this dress, and it's not my style, but I was like, you know what, let me try something a little outside the box, but I loved it because of the color. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've been brightening up my wardrobe. You know, I got to a new house, a new city, and I'm like, you know what? I want to stand out. I want to look good, and I want to do it in a graceful, classy way. So this isn't bodycon like this one is. It's hugging every single inch and curve. I wanted something a little more flowy. So I love this one because it has slits on each side. I love it because, again, you can kind of manipulate your chest, I'm hoping, so you don't have to wear a bra. And the color is different, and the color is unique. Okay, so I took a chance. This is what we have. Let me get a little closer for you. I love this color. Again, don't have to wear undergarments. It feels good. You can just be out there, girl. Just be out there at the festival doing you, boo. You can tie this. This is really just one size up here, but you can tie this in the back of it having a lining underneath. You really don't have to worry about that. You see, there's a lining underneath, so you don't have to worry about it being see-through on the areas that count, and that also helps with making it flowy. Gone with the wind fabulous. I couldn't help it. Yeah, I can see myself wearing a big floppy hat, having a margarita, and just walking and sashaying, honey, on the beach. I love this dress. It's definitely out of the box for me. But again, I am looking for pieces that make me feel good, that make me look good, and also not look like everyone else. How romantic. And it's another color. I am really going for the brights here, okay? Like, you're not gonna be able to tell me anything. Like, all I can think about for this particular spring, summer, I'm gonna just do simple, like simplistic, meaning maybe a slick back ponytail, some gold hoop earrings. The long story short is you do not have to do a lot to be a lot, okay? Can we get a comment? Can you comment that down below? You do not have to do a lot to be a lot. I love this dress because of the simplicity of it. But when it comes to the trends right now, cutouts are definitely in. This material is not as thick as this purple dress that I have on, but it's still nice quality, and I love the stretch of it. So I don't remember all the sizes that I got. I want to say I got large or extra large, but again, I will link everything, all the information that you're going to need, and a coupon code down below. Wowzers, guys, this dress, oh my god, I think I'm gonna have to really play with it with some boob tape and some double-sided tape, because this dress is revealing. Color is amazing. I think it would look good on any skin. She's giving, y'all. This is flattering. Covers any rolls, and it shows those peekaboo spots. But y'all, this right here, this is putting it all out there. Like, all your yams is gonna be out there. How cute is this? Last but not least, I told you guys, like, I've been loving all of these picks, but this one is my very close to my favorite one. So keeping it simple. I just want to throw on a dress and go, but I don't want to look basic. You know what I'm saying? This is taking a midi or maxi white dress to the next level. So again, I love the cutouts. The cutouts are very, very on trend. Can you see that silhouette? But then look, boom, you have this right here, this detail, like this little bit of gold detail will do it for you, okay? I'm kind of scared to try this on because I am so hippie. And even though there's lots of stretch, and even though this is like double lined and very thick, I just don't know. I'm a little nervous, but hey, I am here to give you guys the real deal. I am here to be the person to try it on and tell you how sizing and materials and all that stuff works. So yeah, without further ado, let me go ahead and put this on and you guys tell me what you think. Okay, baddies, pay attention. This is a chic dress with sex appeal. You will get compliments. You will get stares. You will get attention. This dress is it. So let's get into the details. Before I get into it, let me give you a little spin. I love this material because how frequently do you shop white dresses and they're kind of see-through? This is double lined, so I can't stress enough how stretchy this fabric is. This is a high quality dress. Okay, y'all, so the reason I love this dress is because of the neckline. I think it is so chic, y'all. Like, look how cute this neckline is. Oh my gosh, this dress is amazing, and it almost is my favorite. Actually, it is my favorite. Just kidding. I thought the purple was, but this one is. And the reason for that is because I love the neck. I love the material. I love that it's all white. I love the sex appeal. I love the stretch. Y'all, get into this dress. To the stage, we got Chrissy the doll. I'm not kidding, y'all. This is making me feel like an exotic performer, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. I'm not going to show too much of this on camera because YouTube sometimes be tripping, but I am going to share with you a couple of different ways you can tie this bathing suit. The bathing suit can be worn with jeans if you want to wear it as a top, extra long strings, and tie it any way that you want. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I partner with Hot Miami Styles. I will look for a coupon code to put in the box below, as well as all of the links to what I picked up and the sizes that I'm wearing them in and my personal measurements. If you like the video, leave me a thumbs up. Comment down below which one of these looks was your favorite and where you would wear the outfit. Now, if you know someone who would enjoy this video, go ahead and share it with a friend because you know sharing is caring. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do on my new page. It's at ChrissyTheDoll_official, as well as follow me on TikTok. My name is at ChrissyTheDoll. And of course, you can find me on all my other social medias. Come find me and say what's up. Now, if you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? Subscribe to this channel as well as my fitness and my vlog channels. I'll put those links down below in the box. I have so much more content queued up for you. I am in my new space, a new state, like my energy is flowing, okay? So be sure that you stick around because I have so much more to share. I want to say again, I appreciate all of your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.